Hello, this is Vaughn Clement, and this is the introduction to the Car Buyer Pro database. This is a new application that was put out late in 2016. It's a 2.0 version. We had another version that was completely revamped, and this particular version is going to present all kinds of new features. Let's talk about the overview of this application to start with. What is its purpose? It states a little bit of the facts here on this line, but it really is an application that was designed for a family or a guy that wants to have a side business where he can create sales where you do a service for people either within your own family at no cost or for friends or clients that you may come up with, where you use this application to learn how to be a seller of terms and conditions and the buying process for vehicles. Now, typically this involves either a private party that is selling something to you. You are going to a dealership where you're going to do a purchase of a vehicle, or you're going to sell your own vehicle either privately or you're going to sell it at a dealership as a part of a trade-in. Now, all of this information is based on an automated system within this application where we're going to take the information that we're going to provide to you both in a written form and in tutorials and explain to you whatever the product that you're buying as far as a vehicle is, either a truck, car, or whatever it may be, a motor home or whatever. This application is essential for you saving a ton of money. And that's the whole thing. What you're talking to is a professional with over 21 years of car buying and selling, working for dealerships since the age of 18. And basically what I'm doing is taking what the salesman and sales manager know, and I'm providing you with the inside information to be able to create a situation where you can buy and sell and trade vehicles with the knowledge of a professional salesperson. We're also adding automation basically within this application where the calculation for the cash terms and conditions that you're going to be dealing with a salesperson or sales manager or the internet desk where you're going to buy a vehicle, you will have the inside line to all the information and be able to control the deal. We're going to be uncovering things in this application you never heard of, and they're going to be tools that you're going to use in the process of creating a purchase or working with clients, or like I said, taking your own family in. For example, all of my family members come to me when they want to purchase a vehicle, and we use an application like this or this one itself now where we would go in and conduct the sale. We can track all the things that are said, all the calculations of math, and all things that are discussed as far as a thing called a Foursquare and how to understand how the purchase is supposed to go. And then we're going to give you that same information so that you can do it yourself. And as the bottom line says, you can end up when you leave the vehicle with your vehicle from the dealership, you will realize that you've made or saved more money than you ever have on any deal that you've ever done before. Now, we cannot guarantee that because it's you making the deal, and if you slip up or get lost or whatever, it takes practice. You might even want to sit down with a person in your family and go through this process a couple of times before you actually go out and act like a buyer. Okay, if you need assistance, you can always get us because we have free technical support for this application to assist you. Don't hesitate to get in contact with us because we'll be more than happy to provide you with assistance. If you have any trouble using this application, you should always refer to our website, and the way you do that is to go ahead and click on the developers link that is on the iTunes application detail page where you found this application. Okay, well, thank you, and I hope you enjoy this application. We put a lot of years of knowledge into this application. Thank you.